Gir National Park of Gujarat. Place Sasamgir, Junagadh District, Gujarat. Area 1412 kilometers. Established 1965. Best season mid-October, mid-June, November and February is the best time for sighting the lion. Nearest town Verawal. Main attraction Asiatic lions. Ness, Haripur, Sajia, Jambutala, Dania, Zebra and Babaria. River Hiran, Chatrunji, Singoda, Machundri, Godavari and Ravat. Temples Kankai, Tulsi Sham, Banej, and Kamleshwar. Wild animals 38 species of mammals, around 300 species of insects, birds, 37 species of reptiles, and then more 2000 species of reptiles. The timing morning 7 a.m. to 11 a.m., 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Government body Forest Department of Gujarat. The official website www.guinnassnationalpark.com. Jai Jai Garbi Gujarat.